Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returner, welcome back. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell so you know when I make a new video. Now, usually I make new videos every Friday, and clearly it's not Friday. Oh, by the way, Happy Easter! Yes, I did not forget. Happy Easter. Hope you're enjoying your Easter. But that is why I'm making this video. It's a special video for Easter. So my brother, you guys have seen him before. I haven't made a lot of videos with him lately, but he kept asking us to take him to Easter egg hunt. Unfortunately, all the Easter egg hunts have passed. We took him to one, but he wanted to do more. So I decided, you know what? And he asked for this. I made him his own little Easter egg hunt. So I bought some eggs, some plastic eggs, and I bought some of my toys and some candy, and I hid them all over the place. They're like all over. I honestly don't even remember where I hid them. So they're like all over the place. So I'm gonna call him down, and he has his little basket, and he is ready to find these eggs and see what he got. So I'm gonna call him. Uh-oh. Oops, phone not working. Um, yes, let me go call him because I'm using my phone to record, so I can't call him with my cell phone. So I'm gonna call him. Yep, this works. He is more than ready. It's taking forever to answer the phone though. You can come down now. Okay, bad. All right, so he's gonna come down. Like I said, I hid them all over the house. So I have all the doors closed. So when he comes down, he has to look everywhere. Oh, everywhere except the closet. I didn't hide anything in the closet, but I'll let him know where he doesn't need to look. I made sure I didn't put it too high. So I'm just waiting for him to come down. He is more than. Oh, I hear him. Oh, he's locked out. Say hi. What are you about to do? They can't hear you. All right, move over. So, ready to begin? You see this? This is why I don't do nothing for him. Wait, wait. Tell them you're ready to begin.
I'm ready.
Okay. All right, so now I'm going to turn the camera and you're going to watch him find the eggs. Go ahead. So you don't have to look in the basement and you don't have to look in the closet. Because everyone wants to see. Oh, he already found one. He taking the whole piece too? He's legit looking everywhere. You didn't even turn on the light. Like, how are you supposed to see? Making his little sound effects. So far, he's only found one. Two down, 10 to go. I'd help you, but I don't want to. So savage. 3 down, 9 to go. 9. Hey, you must think I'm rich. He really searching. Oh, go pick that up. He's really searching. Looking all under the couches, everywhere. Everywhere. Oh my goodness. Where did I hide them? Now you gonna kick the bear in the face. What the bear do to you? Room number 2. Let's see. What can we find in here? That's not an egg. Yeah, dirty feet. How much you have now? 4 down, 8 to go. Yes, I had to do some quick math. I know. And I'm a teacher. But you know, sometimes you gotta. I'm not telling you. Am I sure? Why you did that? Now he done ruined one of the prizes. Disrespectful. No, because you threw it. No one told you to throw it. Disrespectful. You still have more to five. Let's go. Do what? I didn't do that. That was like that. He's back in the kitchen. We back in the kitchen. Back in the kitchen. He's back in the kitchen. He has no light on. I don't know what he's trying to do. Look at stuff with no light on. How you gonna do that? You're what? Looking in the fridge. But there's nothing in the fridge. Looking in the freezer. But there's nothing in the freezer. I didn't hide any high. I'm not, why would I do that to you? He's asking if I hid anything high. Why would I hide something and you can't even reach it? That's, yeah, but that's too savage. That is too savage. Not the basement and not the closet.
Which closet? There's two closets.
None of the closets.
Okay.
What was that, 5?
Yeah.
All right, 5 down, 7 to go.
How much did you buy in total?
You do the math, Kiate. If you have 5 and you have to find 7 more, how much is that?
Um, Good calculations. Good 13.
No?
Yes.
No. 7 plus 5 is not 13.
12.
Okay. Sorry, I'm starting to remember. I'm starting to remember where I hid the rest. I know. I know. I didn't put none in the tub. Why would I?
Was this part of the egg or not?
What?
I think this was part of the egg because it's around the door.
Yeah, when you threw it.
Okay, we're starting with egg.
Now you gotta find your bin. Now it's a bin hunt. Get down, get down. Low, 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 low. I don't know what he's doing. Not a clue.
List. White eggs.
It is taking you longer than I expected.
When you said, well, first you said you were done when you came up. Then you said you weren't done.
Did you find the ones that were, did you find any in here?
No.
No.
So,
Womp womp womp. I didn't put nothing high.
why is this falling?
I don't know. Womp womp womp.
I know it's not in the closet. So I'm just going to lift this up until I find it. Nope. This one, but just to make sure. She didn't hide two. Snap a hint.
No.
Savage. Did you hide any behind the curtains? Did you? This is starting to get impossible. Check all the drawers. This is like the engine that the storeroom was harder.
All right, guys. I'm gonna stop the video here, and I'm going to watch him look for the rest. But thank you for watching. Like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 100 subscribers. I need 100 subscribers, and I will do something else that's very special. I don't know yet. I haven't decided yet. But subscribe, share, like, comment. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter, so you can keep up to date with what I'm doing. Bye. Say bye. Tell them what you're gonna do.
Found the eggs.
Bye.